look and see what you can expect for racing. So this will be a 10-lap heat race for the K&J Truck Center trucks. 7 of them. Not our biggest field. We have lost a few because of, you know, flipovers. And just as we're about to start, Mr. Sun has come out to play, so we're finally starting to get some sun this afternoon. Hopefully it'll warm things up just a wee bit. I think everyone here is pretty much all bundled up wearing their fall jackets for sure. Trucks go around one more time here. The format will work today, 2 heat races, 10 laps apiece per class, then a 12-lap feature. And then the top 3 in points from the trucks, top 3 in modifieds, top 3 in 8-cylinders will go for King of the Dirt later this afternoon at Valley Raceway. Same thing for the 4-cylinders, they're going to have their own standalone King of the Dirt race. Get a good look at all the trucks. There is a lot of damage, a lot of dings, a lot of dents in these trucks, and they'll have all winter to iron all that out. It's all on the line today, everyone, especially in this class. This is the tightest points battle this year, for sure. 3 points separate the 12 from the 69 and the 17. Every point will matter this afternoon, especially in the trucks. A.J. Watt basically has to finish in front of the 12 and the 69, and he will have a lock in the points. Same thing for the 69. 12's going to hope for a really good day. Who's excited for some Thanksgiving racing, everyone? Let the trucks hear you as they come around turn 4 to kick off the Thanksgiving Championship Sunday. A.J. Watt is a man on the move. He went from almost 5th to 1st, and the 11 is not having a good start. He is pulled in the infield. Will not get out of the caution come out since he pulled off, and now take the race out. So it'll be a slow start for the K&J Truck Center trucks. Number 11 just did not fire off right there. So Robin's going to pull in there. Robin Wright, he's already going to hop out of that number 11 truck. So we'll have to line up the trucks again here. Cross will be in first. If you're just grabbing your seat, you haven't missed anything. You haven't even missed a full lap yet at Valley Raceway. So the 17 is going to line up beside Brad Cross. Brad's going to take the outside lane for the restart. Some other notes as well, when the championships are all decided, we are going to have our banquet coming up on Saturday, November 9th at the Kingston Fire Hall on Sparky Street. You're more than welcome to attend if you want to mingle with the drivers, have some food, maybe a chance to win some prizes as well. So it'll be a little bit of fun. Coming up on the 9th of November. Not that far away, to be honest. We're less than a month away from banquet night. So we're backing up the number 17 and the 69, tied right now for first in points. Going to bump up the number 12 of Balser to first, it looks like. Although they're going to try and maybe figure out the lineup here. Slow start again, the number 11 already. Once at the engine, couldn't even last a corner. So A.J. Watt's going to land up in third. 69 is going to go fourth, Shea McPhee, and that number 20 is going to go behind the number 17. And the 63 of Canale will round out this field. And we'll try this again for 10 laps of heat racing for the K&J Truck Center trucks. Kevin from K&J Truck Center is here today, so we appreciate Kev coming on out and watching some of the racing. We'll have some K&J Truck Center goodies to give away maybe a bit later. We'll try this one again. We have not completed one lap. We didn't even complete one straightaway pretty much, with the number 11 already going off track. Not enough power in that number 11. He's already pulled off. That number 11's had a tough go this year, a lot of damage. Some of the regulars we don't have is Chris Marshall. He's only going to be pulling single duty today in the 4 cylinders. Brad Cross is the leader in that yellow and blue number 7 on the outside. Inside third in points, Justin Balser. And the green flag is up. Brad has put a lot of TLC into that number 7 to try and get it up to first and hang in first. Here's a pass now for third. This is the battle for top spot in the points here at Valley Raceway. Raceway. Sanford was looking on the outside of the 17, AJ. The number 17. 69-17. They are tied coming into today's championship races. Two truck breakaway. The 7 and the 12 getting away from the 17. Ross is going to be holding away from this one. Justin Balser has not had a lot of luck lately here at Valley Raceway. He's hoping Lady Luck is on his side this afternoon. About 2 truck lengths on the straightaway between the 7 and the 12. Justin's taking a lower line compared to Brad Cross. Cross is right now. 69. And remember, every position, it's a point. So right now, if we were finishing up today, AJ Watt would have a point above the 69, Sean Sanford. In front, it's still Brad Cross. Underneath the finish line. It was pretty misty today coming to the track, so the track conditions are perfect. The track is slippery. It's a good day for racing as we're coming up to the halfway point here at Valley Raceway. Also looking on the inside, all the trucks slide up in turn 3. They play trucks that are trucks. Rick Balser's son, Justin Balser, a natural just like his old man. Of course, Justin, a new father in 2019 this year. He is within a truck like the number 7 Cross. Has him in the other pass. 4 laps remaining at Valley Raceway. AJ Watt gets a little bit of distance. Now we have a pass for first. Balser's underneath Brad Cross going to turn 3. Cross is taking the high line. He dives it high and holds the gas and slides, and they're all sideways in the turn. Cross is Sanford gets in front of AJ Watt for just a little bit. AJ cuts in front. Crossover time for the 69, perhaps. Coming in of turn 2, 17 out in front. Your top 2 run from the 17. 2 laps remaining for Brad Cross and the number 12, Justin Balser. And AJ Watt is Sean Sanford. Your top 2 getting away from 3rd and 4th. Coming around turn 3 and 4, coming up to 1 lap to go. White flag will be in the air for Brad Cross and Justin Balser. One more lap at Valley Raceway. And one more for AJ Watt. He slides up the track, opens the door for Sanford. Sanford underneath. And looking at your top 2, coming around 3 and 4. Cross has led every lap so far. Justin Balser slides right behind him. Cross is across the finish line. First Brad Cross wins. Balser second. Here's the tight battle for points. It's a slick track out there, folks. You can see everyone sliding, including your race winner, the 7, Brad Cross, wins heat race number 1. Justin Balser, good points for him. Finishing second, AJ Watt will finish 3rd. As we would sit right now, the 17 is now the point leader. But again, you got to remember, the 12 is not far behind as well. The 12 now actually may be in second after that race. But the driver who came out on top, his second heat win this year at Valley Raceway, in the trucks at least, the 7 of Brad Cross. CarQuest Nicktaw on that number 7 helping him out. And what improvement Brad has put in for the latter half of 2019. A new to him truck, not exactly the fastest when he first got it. He's got it figured out now, my friend.